Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about literally waking up the next morning with younger looking skin, less fine lines and wrinkles, less apparent age spots and dark marks, super hydrated, firm and supple skin, and again, visible results the very first night you do this. Now on the channel, I've talked about in the past a term called slugging. You probably actually heard about that. And that is applying a product to your skin overnight that seals in your skincare product, seals in moisture, and allows your products to work better longer. And slugging does work. Problem with a lot of those overnight masks, however, is you need to wash them off in the morning. They can be a little bit oily, greasy, because they're designed to be occlusive, to hold that moisture in, stop transepidermal water loss, which leads to weakening of the products that you put on your skin, their actual effects and benefits. But in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about something that's brand new, that works like an overnight moisturizer, works like slugging material, completely naturally based, which means it works for all skin types. Also, it's easily absorbed by the skin, does not absolutely have to be washed off in the morning. And while it provides the same benefits as a slugging material, it actually has its own anti-aging benefits built in. The new formulation in this product right here called Grand Finale Recovery Cream. Really aptly named. What are the specific benefits and what are the ingredients that make this work so well? Specific benefits: visibly healthier, firmer, younger looking skin every single morning after you use this product, which helps your body and your skin take advantage of that overnight repair cycle. It helps to improve a dull complexion. It helps to improve the look of large pores, fights the early signs of aging, and yet goes to work on the longer term signs of aging like photoaging, fine lines, wrinkles, and even crepiness. So this works on the face, neck, back of the hands, wherever you would want to treat those areas for those signs of aging. And it does this by providing ceramides to help rebuild your skin's barrier, again, taking advantage of your skin's own repair system while you sleep. It also includes high levels of botanical vitamin C, providing the essential fatty acids or omegas that your skin needs, omega 3, 6, 7, and 9. The vitamin C and carotenoids, which are pro vitamin A, are going to help brighten your complexion overnight and again, help fade those dark marks and age spots. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients that are in this that make it so special. First of all, instead of just a water base, it is an aloe vera based product. Aloe, as you probably already know, super hydrating, anti-inflammatory, a super healer when it comes to skin. It actually contains a lot of antioxidants, which a lot of folks don't know. It actually has enzymes that help with cell repair and regeneration and also stimulate collagen production. A lot of folks don't know that aloe is that good for your skin, but it really is. And it also includes cocoa seed butter, which helps to trap that moisture in the skin and yet does not block pores. So it's really good for your skin, a really good emollient, but it's not occlusive. You're not going to have a problem with breakouts or extra oiliness. And along with that, we have included jojoba oil, which is well known for its skin regenerative benefits. It's even soothing to skin conditions like eczema and rosacea. Jojoba is an antioxidant powerhouse in its own right. Jojoba oil actually helps to protect your skin from free radical damage as well, and it even promotes wound healing. And then perhaps one of my favorite ingredients to see in a product like this, we included olive oil. Again, super antioxidant powerhouse in its own right, going to help build back your skin's barrier and repair the skin underneath, helps to soothe any inflammation, and makes a marked difference in your skin's elasticity. Again, all of these oils, super powerhouses in their own right, brought together, they're going to work wonders for your skin, and they're not going to block your pores or create other problems. But I saved the superstar ingredient for last, and that's sea buckthorn fruit extract. And sea buckthorn extract is loaded with vitamin C, A, and E, all of the components that your skin needs, as well as those essential fatty acids I talked about, those omegas. That's where they come from. There just is no better ingredient to have in a formulation than that for an overnight repair cream. So how do we use this product to get that skin renewal and healthy glow? Well, it's quite simple. You start with clean skin. You apply your other skincare products, your actives, whatever those steps may be for you, like a retinol, vitamin C serum, some sort of spot treatment. All of those go on first, and then you apply a small amount of this to the area you want to treat. And again, you can use this anywhere: neck, chest, face, backs of the hands, anywhere that you're wanting to see a vast improvement in 24 hours of how your skin is going to look, especially when it comes to hydration and the early signs of aging. And with this product, it's all right to be a little more generous. About a dime's worth will do your entire face. You just pat that in. It can even go on the upper eyelids, which most products cannot. helping to tighten and improve the skin around the eyes, the elasticity through super hydration. You just pat it in, retire for the evening, and it's up to you whether you want to wash it off in the morning. It does absorb completely. But if you have a morning routine where you wash your skin, that's perfectly fine. I'm just saying you don't have to do it with this particular product because it is so rich and so good for your skin. Especially if you're someone with super dry skin, just a warm washcloth in the morning to steam the skin and just refresh it and get more moisture in before you go about your day or your other skincare products. It's perfectly fine. Just remember to use your sunscreen. Now, of course, as with all my videos, there'll be a link down below in the video description where you can go and learn more about this, read about the ingredients in detail. And should you decide to use this new formulation, please come back to the video in the comments and let everyone know how it's working for you. And for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that I picked out for you next. Thank you again, as always, for watching my videos, supporting my work. I really appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.